a vast marketplace where you can earn from the comfort of your home or even while on the go. Whether you're an artist selling your work, a writer reaching readers across the globe, or a freelancer offering your skills, the online world has a place for you. There are countless platforms available, each with their unique offerings and advantages. From selling products on e-commerce sites, offering services on freelance platforms, to participating in online surveys and tasks for rewards. The possibilities are as wide as your imagination. And today, we're going to explore one such platform that has gained popularity among online money earners. One such platform, which we will delve into today, is Toloka. So, what exactly is Toloka, you might ask? Well, let me paint a picture for you. Imagine a platform that connects people worldwide to tasks that AI systems still find challenging. That's Toloka in a nutshell. It's an online crowdsourcing platform where you can earn money by doing simple tasks on your computer or mobile device. The tasks vary, ranging from image and text classification to data comparison, transcription, and more. They're all designed to train artificial intelligence and machine learning algorithms. The beauty of Toloka is that it brings together people who need tasks done and those willing to do them. It's a win-win situation. People from all corners of the world can contribute to technological advancements while earning a little extra on the side. In essence, Toloka is a bridge, a connector, a link between you and the vast world of artificial intelligence. It's an opportunity to be part of something bigger while benefiting personally. Sounds interesting, doesn't it? But how do you get started? Let's dive into that. Starting with Toloka is a breeze. Imagine having the power to earn money online right at your fingertips. Well, that's exactly what Toloka offers, and getting started is as easy as pie. First things first, let's get the Toloka app downloaded. Whether you're an Android aficionado or an Apple enthusiast, Toloka has got you covered. Just pop open your device's app store, type in Toloka, and hit that download button. The app is lightweight, so it won't take up much space on your device. Once the app is installed, it's time to sign up. Tap on the app to open it, and you'll be greeted with a welcoming screen. Look for the Sign Up button and give it a tap. You'll be prompted to enter some basic information, your name, email address, and a password. Don't worry, your data is safe with Toloka. They've got robust security measures in place to protect your information. After you've entered your details, tap Submit and voila, you're almost there. You'll receive an email to confirm your account. Just click on the link in the email and you're all set. Now you're probably wondering, what's next? Well, it's time to get your account set up. Toloka provides a user-friendly interface that makes it easy to navigate through the app. You can customize your profile by adding a photo and filling in some additional details. This is not mandatory, but it can help make your experience on Toloka more personalized. Remember, the more complete your profile is, the higher the chance you'll get matched with tasks that suit your skills and interests. So take a few minutes to get it all set up. Now that you have your account set up, it's time to find some tasks. And with Toloka, there's a whole world of tasks waiting for you. So let's dive in and start earning. Finding tasks on Toloka is as easy as using a map. Yes, you heard that right. Picture yourself using a map to navigate to your favorite coffee shop. Now, replace that coffee shop with a task. That's how straightforward it is to find tasks on Toloka. Let's break it down. Once you're logged into the app, your screen transforms into a map of opportunities. Depending on where you are, you might see a variety of tasks, each represented by a pin. These pins could represent anything from taking a photo of a local landmark, recording a video of a busy street, or even capturing the ambiance of a popular eatery. So, you've found a task that piques your interest. What's next? Well, it's time to start your journey. Whether you prefer to walk, bike, or commute, the choice is yours. You can even pick up other tasks on your way, maximizing your earnings. Now let's get to the meat of it, completing the task. Each task comes with specific instructions, which may involve taking photos or recording videos. Remember, quality matters. The better the quality of your submissions, the higher the chances of approval. So ensure your photos are clear, your videos are stable, and your content is relevant. And what if you stumble upon a task that's beyond your capabilities? No worries. The beauty of Toloka is that it caters to a broad range of skills and interests. You can always find a task that suits you. Once you've completed the task, submit it for review. While it might take a bit of time for your submission to be approved, patience is key. Remember, good things come to those who wait. And there you have it, the journey from finding to completing a task on Toloka. Once you've completed the task, it's time to get your reward. After all, the sweetest fruit of labor is the reward that follows. Stay tuned for the next scene where we'll discuss how you can claim your hard-earned money. The best part of completing tasks on Toloka? Getting paid, of course. After all, who wouldn't want to earn money for their time and effort? But how does this work? Let's delve into the specifics. Once you've completed a task, it doesn't instantly turn into cash in your account. Your tasks go through an approval process. This is to ensure that the task has been completed correctly and according to the guidelines provided. The approval process can take anywhere from a few minutes to a couple of days, depending on the complexity of the task. But don't fret. This waiting period is just a small bump on your road to earning. You see, Toloka is committed to ensuring that everyone gets paid for their work. So, once your task is approved, your earnings are deposited into your Toloka account. Now, you might be wondering, how much can I earn? Well, the answer to that depends on a few factors. The number of tasks you complete, the complexity of the tasks, and the time you invest can all affect your potential earnings. So, the more tasks you complete, and the more complex they are, the more you can earn. Once you've accumulated enough earnings, you can then withdraw your money. Toloka offers a variety of payment methods for you to choose from. This includes direct bank transfers, e-wallets, and even gift cards, so you can choose the method that best suits your needs. Remember, every task you complete brings you one step closer to your next payout. So keep at it, and before you know it, you'll see your hard work reflected in your account balance. And there you have it, your hard work paid off. As you can see, making money online with Toloka is straightforward and accessible to anyone with a smartphone. It's a journey that begins with the simple step of downloading the app and signing up. It's as easy as 1, 2, 3, and you're in. Next, you dive into a world of tasks, each one a unique opportunity to earn. Remember, these tasks aren't confined to a specific location. They're scattered everywhere, just waiting for you to pick them up. Whether you're walking your dog, riding your bike, or commuting to work, you can always find tasks in your vicinity. It's like turning your daily routine into a money-making adventure. Then comes the action part. Taking photos, recording videos, capturing specific settings and actions. It's a chance to unleash your creativity, to see the world through a new lens. And the best part? You're getting paid for it. Once your tasks are approved, you're a step closer to your earnings. The waiting might seem like the hardest part, but remember, good things come to those who wait. And when it comes to Toloka, it's not just good things, it's money. Money that you've earned at your convenience, on your schedule, from anywhere. The beauty of Toloka lies in its flexibility. It's a platform that respects your time, your pace. It doesn't push you into a 9-to-5 grind. Instead, it allows you to earn at your leisure, making money online more accessible and enjoyable than ever before. So what are you waiting for? Download the Toloka app now and start making money today.